Hey guys, my name is Kevin and welcome to my workshop. A little about me, I have been animating for over a decade. I worked on everything from feature films, game cinematics, gameplay, short films, commercials, and done a lot of different types of styles from super stylized cartoony all the way to hyper realistic. And the one thing that helps me jump from different productions and different styles like that is having a solid workflow. Having a solid workflow is such an important thing for every animator, every artist to have. Because when you have something that you can lean on and you jump into something new, that workflow is going to be the thing that helps push you along as you try to keep up with whatever new style or production is asking of you. So in this tutorial, you're going to follow along as I utilize one of my favorite workflow tips, and that is animating with the master control. So as you follow along the chapters, you're going to see me really take advantage of a control that's usually used just to place the character before you animate. You're going to see me take full advantage of how powerful this tool, this workflow can actually be. So follow along and hopefully you guys will learn something great.